This program is brought to you by the Ministry of Education and Vocational Training Zanzibar in collaboration with Good Neighbors. The program is funded by KOICA.
My dear student and listener, you will learn useful issues in this program as far as you will pay your attention. However, our program today is special for Form 1 physics students, but anyone can join the discussion. This program is provide open discussion on the concept of luminous and non-luminous flame, the differences between luminous and non-luminous flame, the concept of luminous and non-luminous bodies, differences between luminous and non-luminous bodies. Dear listener, self-assessment is allowed while the program is going on. My lovely teacher, the program will help you to prepare a simple lesson for your students so that they will learn with joy and improve their performance and competence.
Dear listener, welcome to Happy Radio class, and today we will talk about physics in the topic of light. Let us follow our friends Musa and Salma at their party. They will show us luminous and non-luminous bodies. Okay? Let's go!
Happy, 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 happy radio class. Happy, 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 happy. Happy, happy, happy radio class. Happy, 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 happy. Hello everybody, the birthday girl is coming, so light up the candles.
Wow! The candlelight shines so bright and make the cake looking beautiful.
Yeah, because it is your birthday today. Come on and blow up the candlelight off.
Alright, it is ready. Thank you guys for brightening my birthday with the candlelight. Like the moonlight brightening everything outside. Please come outside to see the moonlight.
Wow, the moonlight is truly bright. Is the moon a natural or an artificial source of light?
I don't actually remember, but I know that no man made the moon.
You are right, Salma. Do you mean that artificial sources of light are made by men?
Yes. For example, torches, candles, wood fire, kerosene lamps, and electric lamps are all made by men, aren't they?
Yes, they are. You know what?
No, tell me.
A physics book will help us to find out whether the moon is a natural or an artificial source of light.
Great idea. Let's get inside.
Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe mjini. Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe kijijini. Soma, soma mwana soma, ukiwa na mahitaji maalum. Soma, soma mwana soma. Wow, the moonlight is truly bright.
Exactly.
But I have a question, Salma. Can you help me, please?
Okay, I will try.
Is the moon a natural or an artificial source of light? Is the moon a natural or an artificial source of light?
Okay, here is the book. Let's view it careful.
Okay.
I think we will see the fact.
Wait! The moon is not made by man. Therefore, it is definitely not an artificial source of light, right?
That's right. Natural source of light give out their own light, such as the sun, stars, and lightning.
So, if the moon is a natural source of light, where does it get light from?
Good question. Now let's read the physics book and find out.
Okay, Salma, listen to me carefully.
Okay.
The moon is a non-luminous object.
What do you mean the moon is a non-luminous object?
Because it does not give out its own light. Instead, reflects light from the sun and other stars.
Alright. So non-luminous objects are those objects that reflect light from the sun and other stars.
So, what are other examples of non-luminous objects?
I think there are the planets, but I don't know how.
Very good. They are the planets. If we were on the moon, we would see the planet Earth because it reflects light from the sun.
Okay. Are luminous objects sources of light too?
Yes, the luminous objects are sources of light.
How?
A source of light may give out its own light, or it may reflect light from another object.
Wow! Can you repeat the statement, please?
A source of light may give out its own light, or it may reflect light from another object.
This is very interesting. Look, Musa. If there are non-luminous, then must be objects that are luminous.
I agree with you. So, let's think what they are before we continue reading. Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe mjini. Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe kijijini. Soma, soma mwana soma, ukiwa na mahitaji maalum. Soma, soma mwana soma.
Musa,
Yes?
if non-luminous objects don't give out their own light, then luminous objects must be those that give out their own light, right?
Yeah, you may be right. Let's look what the book says. Yes, you are right. Luminous objects are those that give out their own light. Can you give us examples?
Yes. The sun and the stars are examples of luminous objects.
That's right. Also, the fireflies, glowing worms, and the glowing TV screen.
Fireflies and glowworms? What are they?
Fireflies are those small black flying insects that produce a flashlight in the dark night at the bushes.
I see. In Kiswahili they called vimetameta or vimorimori.
Okay. And glowworms look like nyungu-nyungu.
Aha! I remember them. And only you can see how they glow when it is dark or when you break them.
Absolutely. And I think it is the resting time. Have you any concern?
Please wait. I have questions for you before you leave.
I like questions. Just bring them on.
Okay. Distinguish luminous objects from non-luminous objects.
Let me look at the moon outside to help me to answer the question. Come with me, please.
Look! It is amazing how the stars give out their light to the moon.
Yeah, and so luminous objects give out their own light, while the non-luminous objects reflect light from other objects.
Yes, luminous objects give out their own light, while non-luminous reflect light from other objects. Do you have questions for me?
I certainly do. Which objects are luminous?
That's easy. The sun, the stars, the fireflies, glowworms, and glow TV screens.
Excellent, my friend. You are so smart in physics.
Thank you. And so are you.
Thank you.
All right. Here is another question. Which objects are non-luminous?
First is the moon, the planets, houses, metals, stones, and others.
Wow, that's wonderful.
Thank you. I just read books, Salma. You should read books too.
I like reading books because I want to understand things that surround us.
Good ambition. I guess you have no more questions, right?
It is enough for today.
Thank you for the discussion. Have a good night.
Same to you.
Very good, my friend Musa and Salma. I was with you in your discussion. Hopefully, even our listener was with you. Now, here are the questions about the topic for further discussion. Question number 1. Describe the terms luminous objects and non-luminous objects. Describe the terms luminous objects and non-luminous objects. Number 2. Give 3 examples of luminous objects and 3 examples of non-luminous objects. Give 3 examples of luminous objects and 3 examples of non-luminous objects. Number 3. How do the non-luminous objects get and provide their light? How do the non-luminous objects get and provide their light? Question number 4. Describe why the moon is said to be a non-luminous body. Why the moon is said to be a non-luminous body. My dear listener and student, here is the end of our program today. Please join us in the next program. Until next time,
Bye.
goodbye.
Happy, 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 happy radio class. Happy, 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 happy. Happy, happy, happy radio class. Happy, 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 happy. You can be a pilot, you can be a doctor, you can be a soldier, you can be a lawyer. If you believe you can, if you start hard, you